Yeah man, fan controller is in. Making progress, making progress. Dash looking nice. Sounding good, sounding good. I like that, I like that, I like that. I like that. Cut this crap off. So Amazon came in clutch. You know what I'm saying? It was intermittent, man. This thing is bad. Wires were bad. Did it start? Did it start? It's a known failure thing on Vortex, so you had to change it. So now I keep it as spare $48 each on Amazon. Go buy a new one when you need one. Stop being cheap, guys. Spend money. Live free. Drive to Maryland now. Bumble clock. Part number. Part number. Part number. Yeah. Yeah. Catch it. Part number. Catch it. Part number. That's the gems for the day. Yeah. 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 Machine good at that. Yeah. Yeah. Still for sale, you know. Somebody buy the thing off of me. Only 15. Oh, wait. Scratch that. Nah, sell it too expensive. Bring $2,000 and come pick it up one time. Ready for you on the road. Ready for you on the road. Nah, there's 4 wheels now come with it. Yeah, I get regular 17. Yeah. Ready for you. Yeah. 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 The exhaust thing, so proper. Yeah. See, no check engine light on the dash, you know. Yeah. So buy the thing ready for you. Yeah. Here them boys are purr. Gone boy. Here them fans running again, boy. So yeah, the fans weren't running. This thing failed, caused this crap to overheat, left me on the road twice, got bailed out by my mans the first time. Second time, luckily I had some water coolant mix up, throw it in there, and managed to bring him home. So just little things that weren't changed that are now finally changed. So when you service any German car, when they say you literally have to change every single component on the vehicle for maintenance wise, they're not lying. You literally. Cause those coolant hoses down there by the afterrun pump were the only things that were not changed in the last round of upgrades. These upper hoses are still here from the original batch, and this one, this coolant hose. All the hoses and back there's a change. As I say, all them the aftermarket heater core hose, silicone heater hose I use, all of that. Fuel line change, all of that change. Harness got refreshed. Front harness, I use different horns, so wiring got refreshed. Power steering lines got refreshed, the back from a B7. All them stuff, the vacuum lines, as you see, different hose that from the factory. See, silicone hose for the other side to them blue silicone ones over there, so everything changed. Like this, even the hose that run here, even the washer hose, all that changed to silicone hose. Everything you gotta change, man. Like when they say you have to change it, trust and believe. You might think you will get away without doing it. I don't care if you buy from eBay, Amazon, dealer, anywhere, FCP, Euro, Rock Auto, it don't matter. At the end of the day, it's a part of the general maintenance of a German car. You have to change it. The service intervals of 30, 60, and 90, and 120 or whatever, you gotta follow them. Trust and believe me, I didn't think the same, and I ignored it on my Jetta, and it left me a road, but it did rear its ugly head where everything just start come apart, and I had to change them. So do follow your service intervals, and even if you see a hose you look like it good, odds are if you come in at the original car and your car over 30 year or early 2000 you buy it, swap out everything, please. Save yourself the headache. And no, that chips there may left in there. May I invite my friends in there if they come eat. Yeah. So yeah, so I just saw the thing set. So anyway, enough of the ranting. 7 minutes that. Let me put this back in place and get this car button up. I'm gonna take it for a maiden run, make it heat up nicely, make sure we don't have no overheating issues anymore. And then once we confirm say we're good, then we can move on. Here it is. And I just saw the thing set. So this thing here, it goes in. Let's see. That's how it go in. But then why I go stick out. Okay. That got this so. And I think then why I forgot get zip tie somewhere out of the way. There is a clip that holds these in place. So gotta move. See if I can push it back on. And then see what we can do with this. Push it back underneath the bottom one. And move the lights. We can see what I do. Then move this clip. And move that long clip in at the front. That's all. See if we can take it off without break the clip. My man will not tore the clip. Alright, let's take a clip off nicely without breaking it. Okay. And do it nicely without breaking it. Yes, yes. And did I just drop it? Excellent. I always drop these things. So move that. push that out the way. There we go. Get that back in there. So. Okay, so now we got both of them in. Push the other one back in the top. Okay, and then the other one follows suit. But just like that for both of them. Alright, so we have one clip left. So I'll use this on the back. And then, okay. Catch this one back on the front first. Okay, sorry for the not edit video. Everything works so well. Cell phone video you don't know. Okay. So I'm gonna push this in and clip this bad boy back to hold the cables in place. Excellent. So I got that in place. And I need to get the clip for the second side. And of course it didn't fall to the ground. Okay. So now I gotta find it. Alright, I gotta find the other clip. So I guess when I move the vehicle it will eventually wear its ugly head. So in the meantime, gotta plug this in. So there is normally a clip on both sides on this thing that's broken, thanks to the generous owner that had this car previously, who made excellent work of breaking off the tabs. These two things were tabs that held this in place. So those missing. I will simply zip tie it here, and then I'll be good to go. No wonder they give you zip tie in the kit. You know, people gonna break those things. Good observation on the part of the people who build this. But before you do that, I gotta screw them screws in. So I didn't use their zip heat shrink. I could have, but I used mine for now. So let's see here. Pop that bad boy back in. Sorry for poor video editing today. Trying to hold the phone and work with one hand. So I gotta put these screws in to hold the fan controller back into place. Use the brand new ones because the originals were rusty. So I'm just glad that they included these new ones with the kit. And then on the second side, there is a gap that the thing needs to hit, but for some reason the seating doesn't allow for you to reach the second one flush. I think that might be a flaw somewhere. So what I can do is see how far I can thread it. In any case, if I reach the hole, which I do, but because these tabs are plastic, you don't want to break them. So maybe 1 or 2 turns and we should be good. Because I don't think you'll be able to go all the way. Some thread engagement. Which is all you need to make sure the fan controller stays in place. So that should be good. Once you start to see the thing bend, you know you have arrived. And this is a 10mm socket being used. Coarse thread hex 10 nut, 10 bolt. Ow! Alright, so that bad boy is bolted into place. Now I didn't trim the wires they sent us because I rather have more than less, even though cutting them neatly would have been ideal. But I wanted to just have a bit of flexibility with the wires. So at least, you know, they're not going to touch on anything, so it's fine. I ain't worried about it. So what I'll do is I'll probably zip tie them here or just onto this main body harness, and that'll be fine. So I'm gonna do that like that. So let me gather a zippy tie. And I'm gonna zip tie them to the cable release cable. Yeah, because I know that definitely not going anywhere. So it can be strapped to that cable. But there's never a need to take that out the car, so strapping it to that should be alright. It's just to get it out of the way so it's not rubbing on the accessory belt. Otherwise I would have just let them free hang. Okay, so just like that. And zip tie that there. Okay. Right, so we got that. And then like that. And then use the other zip tie. Just zip tying it to the bolt that's holds the cover for the cover that covers the washer fluid stuff. I don't have the cover right now, so it makes a good mounting place for the zip tie to hold the fan controller harness. And again, strapping it to the cable release harness. And there you go, something like that. Nothing too crazy. And just like that, we're done. Thanks guys for tuning in. Like, share, follow, and subscribe. So today's mission was just to reinstall a brand new fan control module for a 3-liter Audi A6 C5 edition AVK. Car started overheating, thought it was the coolant hoses by the afterrun pump. Turned out the fan control module crapped out, so I had to get a new one. Got it on Amazon and made them changes, popped in a new one, and we're good to go again. So that's it for today guys. See you in the next one.